Have you heard of juicy rumors swirling around the Formula One circuit? Rumor has it that Toto Wolff might be stepping into Christian Horner's shoes at Red Bull after some serious allegations. Intrigued? Let's dive into the video to learn all the details besides this rumor. Red Bull is conducting an internal investigation into its team principal, Christian Horner, as reported by Telegraaf. A Red Bull employee has accused Horner of inappropriate behavior. The report indicates that the team's senior management is aware of the allegations and has initiated an independent investigation. Horner has denied the accusations leveled against him. A spokesperson for Red Bull informed Telegraaf, stating, "After the company was made aware of certain recent allegations, an independent investigation was launched. This process, which is already ongoing, is being carried out by an external, specialized lawyer. The company takes these matters extremely seriously, and the investigation will be completed as soon as practical. It would not be appropriate to comment further at this time." According to Reuters, the meeting will occur at the team's Milton Keynes, UK headquarters. As stated, Horner, married to ex-Spice Girls singer Geri Halliwell, completely rejects the claims. However, last year was incredible for the 50-year-old and his team. Their driver, Max Verstappen, won his third title in a row, and Red Bull won 21 out of 22 races, making it the most dominating season in Formula One history. Horner has been leading Red Bull since they entered the sport in 2005, making him the team boss who's been around for the longest time, and when he started, he was the youngest team boss by far. Horner and Red Bull. Horner's ties with Red Bull trace back to his days in F3000 and his close association with Dietrich Mateschitz. In 2004, Mateschitz, the visionary founder of Red Bull, acquired the Jaguar F1 team and recognized Horner's potential, appointing him as the team principal in 2005. One of Horner's strategic decisions was hiring Adrian Newey, a highly skilled engineer and designer. Since joining Red Bull in 2006, Newey has played a pivotal role in crafting championship-winning cars. Under Newey's designs, Red Bull clinched both the drivers' and constructors' titles annually from 2010 to 2013, the Drivers' Championship in 2021, and both championships in 2022 and 2023. The RB19, a creation of Newey, delivered a stellar performance last year, securing victory in 21 out of 22 races, establishing itself as the most successful car in F1 history by statistical measures. However, Red Bull faces a potential challenge as Newey's contract is intertwined with Horner's. The departure of one could lead to the exit of the other, warranting caution for the team's future stability. What was the investigation? The heart of the matter revolves around an external investigation triggered by allegations against Horner, who vehemently refutes any wrongdoing. According to The Times, there is ambiguity among Red Bull staff regarding the investigation's motives, with speculation ranging from a potential removal of Christian Horner to a strategic power shift within the organization to involve a senior figure from Salzburg in the F1 team's operations. This situation is compounded by the complexities of Red Bull's corporate landscape, particularly following Dietrich Mateschitz's passing in October 2022. Despite Horner's track record of success and support from the company's Thai shareholders, Mateschitz's death has left him in a precarious position. Reports suggest strained relations between Horner and the Austrian faction of Red Bull's leadership, casting doubts on his future within the team. As the investigation progresses, Horner prepares for rigorous questioning this Friday, overseen by a King's Counsel appointed by Red Bull's parent company. This development caught Horner off guard, as he was attending a meeting of the F1 Commission in London when news of the investigation surfaced. The hearing outcome will have significant ramifications for Red Bull, especially as the team gears up for the launch of their 2024 F1 car. The team is keen to swiftly resolve the matter, ensuring they can shift their focus to the challenges of the upcoming season without the distraction of ongoing legal proceedings. Rumored Horner's replacement. Red Bull insiders have suggested that if Christian Horner is potentially removed from the team due to misconduct allegations, Red Bull's managing director, Oliver Mintzlaff, may step in to lead the F1 team. With a hearing looming regarding these allegations, there is growing uncertainty surrounding Horner's future within the team. As Christian Horner braces himself for a pivotal hearing concerning accusations of inappropriate behavior, attention has turned to Oliver Mintzlaff, the managing director of Red Bull, as a potential successor should there be a leadership change within the team. In reality, Toto Wolff is confirmed as Horner's replacement. Toto Wolff, the co-owner of Mercedes F1, has confirmed that he will continue in his role as team principal for at least another 3 years. Wolff holds an equal share of the F1 team alongside the Mercedes car company and chemical company Ineos, each owning a third of the company. Following 2 challenging seasons, during which the team secured only 1 victory and saw Red Bull emerge as the dominant force in the sport, there were speculations about Wolff's future involvement in the day-to-day operations as team principal. However, after discussions with Ineos owner Jim Ratcliffe and Mercedes-Benz CEO Ola Källenius, it was agreed that Wolff would remain at the helm. Wolff emphasized the 3 shareholders' mutual trust and shared commitment to success on the track. "I think the most important thing between the 3 of us is that we trust each other," he stated in an interview with the Daily Telegraph. "As a shareholder myself, I want the best return on investment, and the best return on investment is winning." Also, he focused on his willingness to step aside if he believed someone else could lead the team more effectively. "I'm not going to try to hang on to a position that I think somebody is going to do better than me," he affirmed. "I make sure I have people around who can tell me otherwise." Ultimately, the 3 of us decided, let's do it again. Since joining Mercedes from Williams in 2013, Toto Wolff has been a key shareholder and team principal. Under his leadership, Mercedes has enjoyed unparalleled success, securing 7 drivers and 8 constructors' titles, marking the longest period of dominance by a single team in F1's history. Wolff expressed his ongoing motivation to fulfill his role within the team and affirmed that his shareholding in the team remained steadfast. "I'm part of this team in various functions," the 52-year-old stated. "I'm a co-shareholder. I'm on the board. These are things that will not change whatever executive or non-executive role I have. But I feel good." Acknowledging the challenges ahead, Wolff highlighted his resilience in facing difficulties, emphasizing his readiness to confront any obstacles. "The risk for me is always more bore-out than burnout," he remarked. "And that's why I embrace the challenges we have today, even though they sometimes feel very difficult to manage." Under the terms of the new deal, Wolff will continue as team principal through the first year of F1's next regulation change in 2026. Importantly, he clarified that any continuation of Mercedes' recent struggles would not jeopardize his position before the conclusion of his new contract. "I've never had a performance clause," he affirmed. "You either trust each other or you don't, and we are aligned as shareholders." Both Toto and Wolff are not friends. When Austrian news outlet OE24 questioned him about a recent photo showing him in conversation with Christian Horner, Toto Wolff dismissed any notions of newfound camaraderie between them. The 51-year-old clarified that the interaction occurred casually while exiting the paddock, where he joined a group including Mark Mateschitz, Red Bull's co-owner, and others he knew well. He explained that he engaged in light-hearted banter with Jerry Horner, Christian's wife, leading to the photo opportunity. Addressing the friendship speculation with Horner, Wolff emphasized that their interactions have been limited, with perhaps the last handshake occurring in 2021 before a race. However, he acknowledged the achievements of the Red Bull team, expressing respect for their performance on the track. Similarly, when approached by Sky Sports News, Christian Horner responded light-heartedly regarding the photo. He jokingly mentioned an amusing exchange with his wife moments before the picture was taken. Despite the jovial tone, Horner echoed Wolff's sentiments, acknowledging mutual respect for their rival in the sport. Even Horner has accused Wolff of his past behavior. The 2021 season, where Max Verstappen narrowly clinched victory while Mercedes secured the constructors' title, proved to be a thrilling yet exhausting contest due to its intense competitiveness. Tensions ran high, not only among the drivers but also within the Mercedes team, notably affecting team principal Toto Wolff. Wolff, typically composed, was frequently seen expressing frustration in the Mercedes garage, including incidents of slamming headphones and shouting at TV cameras. Red Bull's team principal, Christian Horner, interpreted these moments as signs that his team had gotten the upper hand. Reflecting on these instances in the upcoming F1 Racing Confidential book on pressure, Horner remarked, "If you see a competitor losing their composure publicly, it indicates that we are getting under their skin." He likened such behavior to the mind games famously employed by former Manchester United manager Sir Alex Ferguson, noting that it could disrupt a team's cohesion. So what do you think of Toto Wolff replacing Horner at Red Bull? Comment below and subscribe for more.